In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add callout boxes in Notion. Callout boxes are a simple way to highlight important notes, reminders, or tips so they stand out from the rest of your page. They draw the eye, add structure, and make your content easier to scan. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll share practical tips along the way to make your callouts clear and consistent. First, open the page where you want to add a callout box. Take a second to think about where the emphasis will be most helpful. Near a heading, above a checklist, or right before an important section. Once you're on the right page, click inside the content area where you want the callout to appear and type /callout. The / command is the fastest way to bring up specific block types in Notion. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the callout block. You can click it or press Enter to confirm. Notion will drop in a new callout box with a default icon and a text area ready for your message. Now enter your important note, reminder, or message inside the box. Keep it focused and concise so it truly reads as a highlight. You can include a short sentence, a deadline, or a quick link. Inline formatting, like bold or italics, can help emphasize keywords, but aim for readability over decoration. Next, customize the icon by clicking the emoji to the left of the callout. Choose an icon that reinforces the message, a light bulb for an idea, a warning sign for a caution, or a check mark for an action item. The icon acts as a visual cue, so pick something memorable and consistent with how you use callouts elsewhere on your pages. You can also customize the text or background color using the block settings menu. Open the block menu and choose a background that matches the tone of your note. Subtle colors for general tips, brighter colors for urgent reminders. Consider establishing a simple color system so your team or future self instantly understands the priority level at a glance. Finally, position the callout box anywhere on the page to emphasize key information. Use the drag handle to move it above or below related content, or into existing columns for side-by-side layouts. Place it where it provides the most context, and leave enough space so it doesn't crowd surrounding text. That's it. Open your page, add a callout with /callout, enter your message, adjust the icon and colors, and position it for maximum impact. With a few thoughtful choices, callout boxes become a powerful way to guide attention and make your Notion pages clearer and more useful.